Sorry about that, guys. The kids were yelling, so I'm going to pick up where I left off. So how many straight sides does a trapezoid have? So it has 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4, right? Okay, which shape can combine to make this new shape? So remember, we've done this several times. It even shows you, you almost can see the outline that this is a triangle up here. So if you can make this into a triangle and make that into a square. Triangle and a square. Fit the square over here and the triangle up top. Okay, moving on. Which new shape could you make? Okay, it's got, combine these two to make this right here. It looks like half of a circle, and then use 2 half circles to make a whole circle, right? Okay, which 2 pattern blocks can you use to make the shape? You have a trapezoid and you have, right? I think it's trapezoid. Okay, so they marked off this answer. It's not a triangle. Why did it? Okay, yeah, so it's this one right here. All right. I'm assuming that they're saying that that's a diamond, because in the previous ones they've been doing that. And you guys could probably see that it's a diamond. All right, there goes Yanni again. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's move on. Okay, look at the picture. What are the parts? So we have a square and a rectangle. A square and a rectangle, right? You can see it clearly. Which shape shows unequal parts? Unequal, that means that when you split them, they're not the same on each side. So these look equal, right? If you gave this each little rectangle to a friend, you would all get the same size, right? If you had a pizza pie and you cut it this way and you gave a half, one to each friend, so there's 2 of you, let's say it's you and your friend, and you split this, it's equal. You each are going to have the same size pizza slice, right? Over here, again, same size, equal. But then this one, somebody's going to get a smaller piece, somebody's going to get a bigger piece or longer piece, so it's not equal, so it's unequal parts. Which shading shows half of a square? Half of a square. Here's a square. This is half of it. Okay, this shading shows half of a square. This is a rectangle, so it can't be that one. This is a fourth. Can't be this one, and this is not even an equal side. It's not equally split. This one right here. Okay, which shape shows fourth? This one, right? We said the 4 sides all have to be equal. They all have to be the same. Which shaded shows a quarter of a rectangle? So here's a rectangle, and a quarter is when it just shades in 1, right? All right. I think I did all of them. All right, I'm gonna have to look back at one because I'm slightly confused why they didn't mark which shading shows a quarter of a rectangle. Oh, rectangle, duh. Okay, this is a rectangle, but if they just said which shading shows a quarter, you could have also said this one, but they're saying a rectangle, so it's this one. All right, sometimes I have to reread it twice as well. Use the following clues to draw a shape. It's giving you clues and you have to do it. So here I'm already showing it to you, so you should have already done it. So the shape has only straight sides. All of these have straight sides. The shape has more than 3 sides. So we know that a rectangle has 4 sides, right? The shape has fewer than 5 vertices. We know a rectangle has 4 vertices, and the shape can be cut into fourths. And we know that we can split them into fourths, right? So this is the shape that I got, or the book got. I think I actually got the same shape too when I did it. All right. Okay, guys, so now you're going to go to your homework, and you guys are going to be working on pages 245, 246, 247, and 248. Okay, good luck, and just submit your work when you're done. I will post optional work for you guys as well. All right, and as I mentioned, our test is on Friday. Thursday, you'll have one more review, and then your test is on Friday. Guys, we are officially done with first grade math material. Yay! You guys can give yourselves a big hand of applause. I'm so proud of you. You guys have been doing great.